Hi guys, good morning. So today I'm gonna tell you how I do my eye makeup. So today we're gonna do a pink, starry, glittery one. I don't know, but I'll just show you how I do my makeup. So let's begin. First you have to put a primer. Primer is done, and now we put a base, a foundation for the eyeshadow to stay full of.